In an interview with Lewis Phillips, Hayden Deegan was asked how he would grade his season so far, and even he admitted it wasn't what he wanted at the beginning. And you gotta say, that's not exactly wrong. I mean, he came into this year, at least in my mind, and probably in most people's minds, power ranking number one, should have come out and been, the commanding championship leader, blowing everybody away. That's what you would expect, what you would think, especially with their so-called plan of, win this title, race 250 next year, win that title, and then move up to 450 in 2027. And well, if he doesn't win the title this year, then it kind of puts the whole plan into who knows where. But in the interview, he did say, quote, I definitely expected myself to be better at the beginning of the season, which obviously I was a little slow to start, but I feel like I got my momentum back. After the last round, I feel like I was able to show everybody that I was the fastest guy. Dude, I was last off the starts. If that's the way to show people, that's the way to show people. Another solid 2 weeks, and I felt really good in practice. I'm a racer, so my practice days, I usually am not the quickest. For me to be the fastest on practice days, it's going to correlate good to the race. Now, obviously, we have the East West shootout, and hopefully, he's going to come out firing. I mean, with how many injuries, he really should be right up to the top, and hopefully, knock on wood, he gets a good start and he can just run his race, not have to do the catch up run through everybody and see where it falls. But he's not wrong. I mean, personally, he definitely should have come out this year swinging, been more absolutely fast. I don't know how you want to say it. I mean, the starts have just been absolutely killing him, and who knows? Maybe the trading the training from Craig to back to Swanee, and maybe that's what he needed. Back to racing with people and judging him, or I don't want to say judging, but comparing himself off of his teammates and everybody else he rides with might be good for him. A little bit of a competitive thing of see where you are against everybody else you're racing, and who knows? I mean, I still think he's going to win this title now. Personally, having the points lead coming into the last third of the season, he's probably got this wrapped up. But I don't know. Comment down below. You guys tell me, where do you think you rate his season? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think while you're down there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.